Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play music through your mic on Roblox. So select like any of these voices on voice mod. Make sure you have voice mod first. And then you're just going to open up a game on Roblox. I'll just go to the private server for now. And to enable the microphone, select the Roblox button, go to settings, and under mic, you're going to select the voice mod one. I think I have to go in game first. Hold on. There we go. Is my mic not connected? What's going on right now? Well, you need to obviously enable the mic. I think it's just because it's loading, and you're just going to change the mic setting to the input device to the voice mod one, and you can basically pick any audio to play through voice mod. I think because it's still loading on Just to Impress, it's like not on yet, like the mic setting. But that is it. You're just going to, there we go. Here, change it to voice mod, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.